Today, let's do another Stitch Fix unboxing. There was a new option this time, so this time I'm getting 6 items. Let's unbox and check them out, and I only need to keep 5 items to still get that discount. I'm on a pretty good streak of keeping all the items, so I'm excited to see what happens today. Okay, here's the first peek inside the box. Return bag in case I need it. I love those neutral colors and a couple items falling out on this side already. Let's dig in and see what this is all about. Item number 1, we've got this beautiful V-neck tee. It's not cotton, it's more like a lightweight sweater fabric. Item number 2, so this is kind of a lightweight sweater, maybe medium weight, a little bit of detail on it, soft. And again, I'm a fan of the neutral colors. Ooh, this is kind of different than what I've received in the past. So this is a jacket for layering, almost a like bomber style jacket, super soft cotton. This could be really cute for layering, or it could be not cute, but it's different. Number 4. We have a sweater, black and white striped. This is more of a thick sweater. So this is like a nice knit sweater. It's definitely a bigger look. Like, look at those sleeves, kind of a boxier style. I love the black and white. I love the neutral colors. We'll have to see how it fits though. I like a boxy sweater if it fits right, but sometimes they look kind of just frumpy. So we'll see how that goes. Item number 5. Look at this. So we've got a V-neck. It's like a sweater material, but the sleeves are half length and they're like sheer. That's so pretty. I love the mixed fabric. I like solid colors. I don't like a lot of patterns. I think this is really pretty. Okay, last item, number 6. We've got some jeans. These are cute. I specifically asked for some jeans in this fix. I wanted something that was more of a wide leg look. So I think we've got it with these as long as they fit well. Look at these cute pockets. These are the front pockets. All right, let's try it on. Yes, I am loving this V-neck. Just loose enough that it doesn't like cling to my stomach, but it's not big and baggy and boxy. I really like this look. This could be cute with jeans and tennis shoes. It could be dressed up for work, so super versatile shirt. Actually feels very similar to this one that I already have. Same brand, same fabric kind of feeling, and I wear this all the time, so I'm excited to have this. This one feels like a definite yes. This one feels like another yes. Again, I like the neutral colors. The texture and the stripe at least gives it something more interesting to look at than just plain and solid. I'm really just a fan of basics, so I love this. This is really cute. This is the one I was most worried about style-wise. I don't know. I like the bomber jackets, but it just felt weird to me to have it in this like soft cotton athletic material. I'm more on the fence about this one. Yes, I love this. I love black and white. It is a boxier sweater, but I don't think it's too boxy. And I just think it's really classy and cute. And with like some bigger, funkier sleeves, but it goes in at the wrist. I could pull it up if I needed to. Soft, it's comfy. I like it. This fits exactly how I hoped. I think it looks nice with a more fitted top and then this like pretty sheer, flowy sleeve, but it doesn't go all the way down to the wrist. I tend to pull my sleeves up anyway. And I love the color. I wear a lot of black, white, gray. I know blue isn't that far out there, but I do like the color. That was item number 5. I still have one more because I got a shipment with 6 items. Let's see how these jeans work. Pants are the trickiest for me to find the right fit. Here's the jeans. These have a nice fit around the waist. I am glad I went up a size. I just needed to do that for this season of my life. And they're wide leg. Let me show ya. So here they are. These will be a lot cuter with some shoes or some boots, but I wanted to try out the wide leg look. So there they are. So I've had the same stylist, Lisa, throughout all of my fixes. I keep requesting her because she's great. I did do the preview this time. So I selected 3 items from the preview. This was one of the pre-selected items. Selected the sweater from the preview. And I selected this gray sweater from the preview. I specifically asked for a pair of wide leg jeans, but I didn't pick them from the preview. And then these were the other 2 items that Lisa picked for me. And in her letter, she actually suggested pairing these 2 up. I may have to give that a try. All right, here's the bomber jacket again, paired with the gray V-neck that Lisa suggested. Part of me wants to not keep anything I don't absolutely love. The other part of me wants to challenge myself to branch out. So I'll probably ask my teenage daughter what she thinks. Hey, thanks again for joining me for another Stitch Fix unboxing. It's been a pleasure having you today. And if we haven't met yet, my name's Sarah and I'm the mom next door. I'm all about finding ways to live life better and sharing what I learned with all of you. If you haven't already, hit subscribe and join the virtual village.